Alright, in this video we're going to try and recreate the formatting of this PDF document using Word. Alright, so first thing I'm going to grab the text. So I'll copy it from my document over into Word. And so here it all is. Let's take a look at trying to make this little table. So despite the fact that you can't see any lines, I believe that the best way to do this as a table, you could go columns, but honestly I wouldn't because, well, you could try columns. I suspect it will be kind of messy and hard to use. Tables would be way easier for this one. And so I want to insert myself a table. We go to Insert tab and we go to Table. This is a 2-column table, okay? And so I'm just going to drag in the things into the various spots where they're supposed to be. Alright, all the stuff is there. I've put too many lines here. We'll just select those ones. So I'm going to go outside. In fact, I could go inside like this. Select these 3 lines. And we'll right click and we go delete cells. And in this case, we want to shift the cells up. And it didn't work. Okay, we'll do it this way. We'll go from the outside where instead of the cursor, I have the arrow. I'm gonna select by dragging down like so. Okay, I've dragged down like that, and then now I should be able to delete rows. Okay, gone. Perfect. All right, so what we want to do is make sure that these title things, the supply, divisibility, reliability, and so forth, are actually on the right side, and we can do that by the alignment. So I'm going to choose those ones, and I'm going to go to paragraph, and we have the alignment over here. Left align, center align, right align, and justified. So we're going to go right align, and so there they are. These are also bolded, so we'll bold them. And there we go, it's done. So this alignment stuff is really easy and useful. We don't have to be inside a table. We can use it anytime. For example, we can highlight this paragraph, and we can make this right aligned, and like this. And so now it's on the right. We can make it centered, and we can make it left. Okay? Yeah, it's great. Okay, so last thing that we want to do is just get rid of those lines. We've done this before once, I believe. So we just go to our table layout, and somewhere in here should be an option to get rid of the borders. Maybe it's in table design. Here we go, border styles. Sure, oh no, borders. Borders with the drop down. We go to the drop down, and we want no borders at all. Right here. No borders, and there it is. What I want to do is actually, you see how mine is like way to the left, and theirs is somewhat, mine is way to the right, and theirs is more centered. I want to change that, and I'm going to do that by dragging this middle line, which you can't see, but it still exists. I'm just going to drag that over, like to maybe here-ish. There we go. Yeah, is that good? I could drag this one in as well. Something like that. Make it look a little better. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So we'll leave it at that. And the last thing to do is make this little gray box. Definition 1. And, oops. Okay. Definition 1, we're going to insert a text box here. Again, we've done this before once, but just to give you a reminder. Simple text box, sure. Why is it in the middle there like that? I want to go into inline with text, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so that's just in the arrange of my shape format. And what do we want in here? We want this text right here. I'm going to put it in here, like so. Okay, that's good. We'll make that box smaller. We will make it gray. Shape format tab up at the top should give us some ability to change the shading like that. And also the outline, we don't want an outline actually. can I change the outline? Doesn't show any options for the outline, so we'll just right click on it and maybe we'll get an option. Here we go, shape outline, and we want no outline, so there's no outline, and that's pretty good. We can make our box nice and big here like so, and that's it. It's done. Make that bold. Okay, done. This little 5 is actually a footnote, and you see the 5 down here. Maybe you can't see, but yeah, so a little 5 up there, which means there's a footnote, which means we go down here to the 5. We can do that actually. So we can insert a footnote here. We insert and we go footnote. Oh, maybe it's in references. Yeah, references. And we want to insert footnote. Looks like it won't let us insert a footnote inside our text box. We can. I'll just show you quickly the footnote feature though. We can go outside the text box and we go insert footnote, and you can see there's a little tiny 1 up there and then a little tiny 1 down here, and we can write this is the footnote text or whatever you want. And that will automatically make those footnotes. I can't get it as a 5 and 5 because this is the first footnote of this document, so that's why it automatically made the 1 and the 1 down here. But yeah, just to give you an idea of what that is and how it works. You don't necessarily need to make a footnote in your document, I believe, but you may need to do this for other classes and stuff like that. Okay, so I think that's it for this one. Did I do everything on this page? Yeah, I believe I did. This title, but you know how to do italicize and bold. That's pretty easy. All right, so I guess that's it. See you in the next video.